Hey guys, Richard here. Hope you enjoy this video. This is a video on the PARKROYAL Collection in Marina Bay. I'm going to give you a room tour, a walk around the hotel, some features it has, and just my overall thoughts around the hotel. Hopefully you enjoy this video and let's get to it. Alrighty, time for first impressions. Okay. So first impressions, check this out. So really nice, perfect for makeup, I guess. It's a nice looking, almost looks like a sauna shower. That's a good full-length mirror. I guess a bathtub if you really want to use that, I guess, for a second shower. You have obviously a normal toilet, and you have this, which is a, what's this called again? A bidet? Bidet?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got a bidet. So you have nice bath. Some, how do you open this? Oh, it's just a open. So you have your bathrobes. Yeah, but you gotta pay for this. Alright, let's walk into the room. So, pretty spacious room for Singapore, I'd say. So you have a little, you know, a nice little desk you can do stuff in. And the best part, the view. Look at this. Look at that skyline view. Spectacular. Alrighty. So overall, pretty good impressions. You also got your little espresso machine. Some water as well. So yeah, pretty good impressions firstly. I think overall not bad for the room itself. I think this is a king size or queen size room. Yeah, so we'll go check out the foyer, we'll go check out everything else. Oh, you can go outside? Oh wow, so we've even got a balcony. Let's go outside for a bit. Let's go. Wow, there you go. A lot of people playing tennis downstairs. Pan Pacific over there. You got Suntec City down there. But yeah. Very nice looking view. But yeah, what a nice little place to stay at. Definitely very good first impressions. Singapore's very clean and the hotel's very clean. So yeah, we'll go check out the foyer now and check out some of the other stuff. And yeah, let's go, let's cut. Check out this view. This is pretty cool, unique architecture. It reminds me of a bit of Marina Bay, but as you can see here, beware of heights. But there's the entrance there for level 4. You have a few cafes, some restaurants down there, a really nice bar there. So let's head down and just check it out and see what the hype is about. So you got the gym here. Pretty stacked gym. So it's got pretty much, I think, a lot of treadmills, some bikes. You got a squat rack, a few machines. So generally not too bad for a gym. As you can see here, there's a few cafes now. Have a spin bike studio. I'm assuming you can take some classes here. And there's a gym studio as well. I'm assuming there's other classes you can take. So let's go ahead to check out the pool. So the pool's on level 5, so there's a gym, studio stuff, and pool at level 5, and the rest, level 4 has everything else, like the bars and stuff. Alrighty, that looks a bit better. So as you can see, there's a pool here. Nice little Skyline bar. It's a bit of little chillaxing you can do here. So you got the JW Marriott over there. Pan Pacific to the right here, Conrad. A few of some of the good hotels. Let's look around as well. Check out that Skyline over there though. So you got the Singapore, I guess Skyline you could say. You got the Marina Bay Sands just over to your left here. Looks like a few things here. It looks like a club. Pretty nice spot. I'm just going to do the full walk around here just to give you a look at what's really here at the pool level. Looks like this is just a restaurant that's not actually open right now. Oh, looks like you can actually go down here. Let's see what this really good. Let's see what this leads to. For security purposes, section is for emergency section and also as the guest members. Okay, so this is a emergency exit area, so let's not go down a bit more. But I see some other things. There's some like little another area where you can just chill out, I think. Yeah, you can see right here. Nice little area next to the pool. You can there's a bar over there, so you can order some drinks. So if you want to chill out next to the pool. It is on level 5, I think, so it's not, you know, an infinity pool, but it's still a very nice pool if you want to chill out for the day. Really nice view over the entire Singapore city line or Skyline or whatever you want to call the line. But yeah, let's go check out level 4 now. There's some cool things you can check out there as well. So yeah, let's cut and straight next part. Let's cut and go straight into the next video. So we got level 4 here. You got a little kids room here, so if you need to drop off your kids, you can do that, which is awesome. You got some clothes shop here as well. Some other, you know, some watch. I'm not sure if this is a watch. There's some art stuff, some suit shops if you need a suit for some reason. If you don't have, you forgot your suit maybe. So let's go check out the entrance, which is kind of cool to be honest, especially when you first walk in here. So this is the entrance. Look at that. It's pretty cool. But yeah, this is like the restaurant bar level, you could say. So yeah, I'm gonna show you a little secret that a lot of people, I think, not people know about this place, which is, I mean, people would know, but there's a little link you can go into Marina Square if you want to go shopping. So you can see here, link way to Marina Square. And you're here at the shopping center, Marina Square. How cool is that? And hopefully that was a good tour. So obviously this hotel is amazing. It's got, you know, an amazing room. We have an amazing, you know, entrance. Amazing just facilities overall. So hopefully it gives you an idea if you want to stay here. But yeah, Park Royal Collection, Marina Bay Sands, pretty nice. Thanks for tuning in. If you want more of this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.